Hello YouTubers, LIFEFOOD.tv here today with another amazing life food here. This is the wild Camus flower here, the wild Camus plant, alright? As you can see, it's a beautiful purple plant here, purple flowers, alright, green stem. All parts are edible, the stem, the leaves, the root, and the flowers. You can see here the little pollination of the flowers here, the little yellow with a little green spot in the middle. So the life foods here are, if you don't know what life food is, first time on this channel, a life food is only raw food that contains a powerful life force, which is an auric field, which is a living aura, living light energy that emanates from the food. All cooked food is not a life food. Not all raw foods are life foods either, such as bananas, carrots, and beets, pineapple, potatoes, yams. Alright, there are many others that are not life foods. Alright, cashew nuts are not. Anyways, this is a powerful plant for the activation of the crown chakra and third eye chakra, with its colors of mainly predominantly of the flowers being purple and bluish. Alright, so to consume a life food, just pick it fresh like this there, and that's it, and then take a beautiful nice bite of this. Delicious. Alright, and the Camus flower is spelled C-A-M-U-S, and is a native species here on Vancouver Island, Victoria, BC, Canada. And they're very delicious and colorful for salads, and they're also good for the raw soups and raw dressings, and they taste a little bit spicy, and I love them. Alright, I love them. I cannot get enough of these. They really only come out here in the springtime. There's like a 2-week to a month and a half window of opportunity to pick them before they start to die off and they dry out naturally. Once they dry off here, like for instance, you can see here's a nice life food one. Here's one that hasn't flowered yet, so that's still life food. Here's a partial life food up here. There's not life food there. Look at the degeneration of the drying there. Alright, that's degenerated food. There's no life food. That's dried out, and that is does not contain an aura, a living light field on the food. Now it still has medicinal properties. It still has nutrients, but those nutrients are not in its highest form, and so that is not a life food. All right. Now these ones here, like this, that have not flowered, they are particularly very spicy, like this. You know, that is a lot with a lot of life foods. When they haven't matured yet, they haven't ripened, they're going to be very potent. Same with like berries too. Right? Going to be very much more spicy. And they are good too. They got their own medicinal properties. But look at us in this field here. Hundreds of thousands of them in this park. Millions of them every year. Millions of them. So it's just awesome. And this is going to activate the pineal gland, the pituitary gland, the hypothalamus, and the thyroid, but more of the three higher ones. The pineal, which is the third eye, and the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which is connected to the crown chakra and the higher brain functions. Alright, so if you live in Victoria, come to Beacon Hill Park, and this is all over the city, in people's backyards and parks all over the city. There's billions of them in just Victoria alone, and trillions of them on Vancouver Island altogether. This park has many, maybe 100 acres. I don't know, a lot of acres. There's all kinds of ducks and ponds and everything here. And there's a big baseball field there. There's tennis courts. There's all kinds of great things here. So it's just amazing. And as far as life food goes, like I said, you only have, say, maybe 1 month out of the 12 months of the year to harvest this as a life food. Otherwise, you can dry them out and use them as herbal teas and stuff. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I'm Jordan Blaikie. This is LifeFood.tv. We'll see you next time.